Alright, welcome back to Grey Sky Adventure. We are going to Dulyn Bothy today, so we're quite lucky with the weather at the moment. It did say it was going to rain a lot today, but the car park's just down there. It's for free. It does get quite packed, as you can see, so you need to get there really early. It's quite a long walk to the Bothy, to be honest, especially got a shitload of stuff like I have. So we're almost here. You can see up there the Carnerddau, I think that's the Carnerddau, is that right, Carnerddau?
Yep.
Okay, Carnerddau. Carnerddau, whatever.
Welcome to the Carnerddau Mountains. Just up there is the Bothy, and just beyond the Bothy is a big lake where during World War II a fighter jet was downed due to fog, I think. And was it 4 people died?
4 people, 4 crewmen.
4 Americans.
You can see the valley behind me, that dark area. Just down there is the Bothy. So I think we're about 20 minutes, half an hour away, but we have to walk down the valley and there's no path there at all, so it's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass, but let's get moving. So we just walked past a couple of people. They said there's already like 6 people in the Bothy. Bit of a full house, but we'll see if we've got space. Luckily I bought the tent, so if it does get really busy and loud in there, I can just set the tent up and sleep outside. It is a bit windy though. If it's really that bad, we've got the tent to share. I'm sure we'll squeeze in there. As you can see, the rain's starting to come in. See some heavy clouds, it's very windy up here. And just down there, I think it's just there, somewhere there, I think it's there. That's the Bothy, so we're not far away now. To do this again because I did it earlier and it wasn't recording, or the microphone wasn't working, so I'll do it again. But we're just walking down this hill. We have to walk across down to the Bothy. As I said before, there's a couple of people in there already, so we'll just have a look at what the deal is, the sleeping situation. Okay, the things I do for YouTube. Sun's coming out again though, as you can see. Thought the rain was coming. I'm glad I got this rain jacket on. It's really nice and waterproof. It's got loads of zips, etc. So if it does rain, that should be nice and watertight.
Check out my feet, guys.
Oh yeah, look at his feet. Soaking wet. And they're supposed to be
well, they are all
water tightish. Yeah. Look how wet that is.
12.
And it is, boys and girls. That's where we're staying tonight. If we can. And just over that brow of the hills is the lake. All the beds have been occupied. But that's fine. Glad we got a tent. And I wouldn't mind going camping tonight. I'm thinking it's going to be very windy as well, but that's okay.
We deserve it.
We do. Yeah. It was a bitch getting up here.
Oh, right.
A real bitch. But it wasn't really, it's just carrying loads of stuff.
Me, I was one of the hardest walks.
Yeah, this is one of the hardest bothies to get to. Cheers, bottoms up. Oh, I can smell the whiskey.
It's not too bad.
We said we weren't going to open that till later, but
No,
it is later.
We said we weren't going to have any booze. But boys will be boys.
Boys will be boys, yeah. This is, what is this? Homemade bread?
Yes, from Wild Boys, a series on YouTube.
Let's give this bread a go. That is good. Okay, so for my 40th birthday, my mate got me this brilliant Gerber knife, which was made in USA, in Portland, Oregon. So I'm just gonna test it on this wood, but I'm gonna make some kindling. Always, it's easier to cut with the grain because it splits better. If you cut it across here like that, it tends to have a bit of a problem. But I'm just going to test it on one of these ends. Look at that. Chops down nicely. The last knife I had was actually a Norwegian knife, which was brilliant as well. But I did the same thing, but the knife actually came out of the handle, so it wasn't actually coming all the way back to the end, which was a shame really. But this one comes all the way back. It has a nice rubber grip here, so it's not going to fall out of your hands or anything like that. So we'll just give it another go. Look at that. Easy. Easy peasy. I'm going to pop that in the fire. Look at that. Just splits nicely like that. And the knife itself is completely intact. Hasn't come out of the handle. And it's still very sharp. So get yourself one of these, guys. I highly recommend it. If you want a strong, sturdy knife. It feels nice and heavy. The materials are very, very, very durable. And I'm guessing this knife wasn't very cheap either. So get yourself one of these Gerbers. Oh, look at that, Dougie.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's that?
You'll stare at the sheet. Yeah, what are you looking at? See that?
How was your night, bro?
Absolutely bendigedig.
Bendigedig, you hear that? Bendigedig. Which means?
And Sparadigathis means absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. There we go.
Amazing, very warm.
Learn some Welsh.